I'm your host, my moon. We're gonna take some deep breaths together and see if we can release stress, worries, anxieties, to break through any feeling of depression, numbness, anger, resentment. Come back to love, come back to trust in the unfolding of life. If you stick around for the full episode, I promise you're going to feel more calm, more at ease, more present in the moment. Remembering that the past is history, the future is a mystery, and the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. So with that being said, getting into a comfortable seated position, putting distractions to the side, putting the past to the side, putting future to the side, and starting to tune in with your body, becoming aware of how you're sat, bringing some intention to your posture, perhaps dropping the shoulders away from the ears, feeling your feet on the ground, feeling your sit bones on the chair or the couch or the floor, wherever you're seated, just feeling that contact. Extending your spine so that your spine is upright but relaxed. Starting to take in your surroundings, noticing colors, textures, noticing nuances of your space, becoming aware of any sound, smell, becoming aware of the coolness or warmth of the air that surrounds you. Enjoying this time of slowing down, not having to do anything but just follow the guidance of my voice. Listening not just with your ears but with your heart. Letting go of any planning, any analyzing, just receive. Relaxing your eyes as you let them close, bringing the attention inwards, noticing how you feel in this moment, witnessing and welcoming emotion, anxiety, fear, not rejecting it, but actually welcoming it. Like old friends. Becoming aware of our old friend breath. Where is breath in the body? Can you locate the breath and become more aware of it without trying to change the breath? Becoming present, taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy through the nose. Feeling the chest expand, holding the breath at the top. Exhaling with a big sigh. Letting go, releasing, softening the face, softening the shoulders, softening the hands and feet. consciously relaxing your body, relaxing the mind, relaxing your heart. Letting go of fears, letting go of desires, just for a few moments. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of worry. Feeling worries leave the mind, leave the body. And in its place, the trusting energy. Breathing in love. And exhale with a big sigh. Letting go of fear. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body. And in its place, a loving, warm energy pouring into the heart and mind. It's okay to love yourself. It's okay to love even the parts of ourselves that we would like to resist. Embracing that which we resist in ourselves and going beyond it. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing, letting go of mistakes, shortcomings, failures. Having forgiveness for that which we couldn't do, couldn't fulfill. Forgiving this much. Breathing in slower and softer through the nose. Holding the breath at the top. Clenching your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense your whole body, tense. Tensing everything in the body. Exhale, release. Relaxing the hands, relaxing the face, relaxing your belly. And again, taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. Tense your jaw, squeeze down on the jaw, squeeze down on your fist. Everything tense. Exhale, releasing, letting go. Feeling tensions leave the body, relaxing the palms of your hands. Feeling your hands like extensions of your heart, putting one hand to your heart. Feel the beat of your heart. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day. But it won't always be that way. Feeling your heart opening to more acceptance of who you are. Appreciating who you are. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. Holding the breath at the top. And exhaling with a sigh. For a few moments, I want you just to look inwards, observing the movement of the mind, witnessing and welcoming thoughts, sensations, emotions, while letting your mind be totally free to think. Letting go of thoughts now, coming back into your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of your breath, not trying to change the breath, but just be with the breath, coming in, going out, taking a breath in, and a breath out. Taking a breath in and a breath out, letting go. Way to stick with it, my friend. Letting go of any focus, just being, enjoying. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in compassion for all the suffering. And exhale, releasing pain, releasing negativity, releasing those thoughts and beliefs that really just limit ourselves. The prayer for today is to trust in the unfolding of life. Breathing that trust inside, Feeling yourself full of trust. And exhale, letting go. Letting go of wanting to control everything. An impossible task. Coming back to the beauty of trust. Trust in all the uncertainties that we face. All the insecurities. Enjoying it. Breathing in through your nose. And exhale out the mouth. Breathing in. And breathing out. The color for today is pink. The number is 30. And the animal is a dove. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you good energy on your path today. Holding that abundance mindset. Letting go of scarcity mindset. Seeing how abundant the world really is. How vast it is. How limitless this world is. This universe. Not subscribing to the limits that we impose on ourselves, but seeing that we can go beyond this self-imposed limitations and really expand, not just financially, but with our love, with our peace, with our capacity to serve, believing in ourselves to expand. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you love for yourself. If you can't love yourself today, try to at least appreciate something about yourself, some gift that you have. Everybody comes into this world with gifts. What are your gifts? I know that you have some gifts to share. Don't be afraid to share it. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.